right now we're talking about heating and cooling, and depending on what you may be doing tonight, maybe you need to be warmer, cooler, and your air filters have a lot to do about how the air is actually circulating in your house. A good air filter will make a good gas and electric bill. Casey will tell us why.
All right, now here we are hanging out with Tony from Lee's Heating and Air, and we're talking about filters. Now, when is the proper time to change a filter, and how often should you do it?
Well, the proper time is when it's dirty. And, you know, really, if you do it every 2 or 3 months, you're probably pretty good.
You know, I would like to say that I do it every 2 to 3 months, but to be honest with you, it's just when I remember.
A lot of folks
Or when my wife starts sneezing a lot.
I know that's what happens. And this is a typical what a filter might look like that hasn't been changed. And that one there was only about 4 months old, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that is dirty.
Yeah, so all that, you know, if you don't change your filter, it'll start sucking by the filter. It'll start going into the house.
Now, let me ask you this, Tony. What filter should I buy? Because when I go to the store to buy filters, there's a myriad of options.
Yeah, you know, this is a filter here, Casey, that comes in a furnace a lot of times. Like you, and some folks would use this because you can actually wash it.
Oh, okay.
So it makes sense. Yeah, but look what happens when you pour the stuff on. I mean, you can just see the salt just goes right through it. This is salt. Now, this is a lot thicker than what dust particles are.
So it's not catching any of the salt.
It's hard, and you know what? And you imagine putting something sucking behind that, like the blower motor.
Yeah.
So you know it does. That's not going to do it.
Okay.
So then we go, and then so you say, hey, look, maybe for $1, I can get down and get them for $1, or you know, $2.
And this is $1 or a $2 one.
Yeah, something like that. You know, this, and my salt shaker's plugging up. But you know, you just start going through there, and it just starts going through it.
So that's not catching anything.
Yeah, the cat, if he's glued together. so you know, but then you go into a filter like this. This is a pleated 1-inch filter, very good filter. You know, you and I talked about this. What?
Yeah.
It costs about $6.
$6, yeah.
About $6 at your home club or whatever. But you know, this will work pretty good in your furnace.
Now, can we do the salt test on this one?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, you do the salt test, and there's nothing coming out of there.
No, so that's a good filter.
There's nothing. I'm shaking up and down.
All right, so that's a good filter.
Yeah.
And the even better filter than that is this one up here. What's this all about?
Well, what this is all about. Like, we're coming up on spring. Right now, you know, even though there's snow outside, it's coming up on spring. This is an American Standard AccuClean filter, and this will knock out everything. This is something that would work for somebody who's got allergies, you know, get rid of the pollen, get rid of, you know, somebody's got asthmatic.
And this will set you back about $1,500, but worth its weight in gold.
Worth its weight in gold. I mean, if you want to not, you know, you keep getting the dirt on the tables and, you know, furniture and stuff, this is the guy.
Cut back on the dust. But you guys are doing a sweet deal right now where you'll come out to people's houses, replace their filter for what?
Yeah, for just $15. And you and I talked about this. $15. We'll come out, do the safety check, change the filter, put one of those pleated 1-inch filters in that we talked about that's pretty good, and do all that for just $15. And we'll do it 4 times a year for just $60.
All right, and give them a call. Your number is?
801-747-5337.
All right, Tony, thank you very much. It's Lee's Heating and Air.
Thank you.